Hi everyone, in this video we're going to do a quick review and demo on this Tomtask tile vibration tool. If you're installing a tile, especially floor tiles, the air gaps between the tile and the concrete layer is the most fundamental cause of cracking. So this will eliminate or at least reduce those gaps to protect your floor. So this thing have a high vibration and it will allow air pockets to be almost completely removed underneath, improving the tile adhesion to the ground. So if you look closely on this, you actually have a suction lever right here. So when you pull this, it actually creates a big suction right here. So this is a 135 millimeter or 5.3 inches suction cup, and it can lift a tile up to 110 pounds. So this is going to make it easier for you to carry the tile up to a size of 200 by 200 centimeter or about 78 by 78 inches. So that's a pretty big tile that you'll be carrying. This package comes with 4 to 6 hours battery life. This battery is compatible with Makita tools, but you will not be able to charge this using a Makita charger. So this thing comes with its own charger. You see right here, it have that port right there where you can plug this included charger to charge this battery. To install it, you simply have to slide it, and this is a 21 volt 2 amp hour battery. They also have another package option where it comes with a 4 amp hour battery. To turn on the device, all you need to do is press the power button, and you can see you have speed levels 12. So you have 12 speed levels. So to select the levels, all you need to do is just press this and it's gonna start going down, okay, and then I'll go back to 12. And to start the vibration, all you need to do is press this vibration button. So you have to hold it in order for it to continue vibrating. So when you release it, the vibration will stop. So that will help protect the battery and the motor as well, so it doesn't overheat. And it's very nice. You can hold it this way so you can carry a heavier tile. So this thing also comes with, like I said earlier, the adapter. It comes with your manual and also a really nice hard plastic housing right here. So this housing right here, you can open it by just lifting this up, and inside you have a nice molding for your vibration tool and all the batteries. So you can see everything is fitted properly on the molding so that when you close it, your tools will be secured. Okay, so to use the suction, all you need to do is press this lever, and to release the suction, just press this small lever right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to see if it can lift this table that I have. So you want to do is push it a little and then press the suction lever, and then from there you can just lift it up, lift the table up. So you can see how hard the suction is. Okay, so to release the suction, all you need to do is press this, and now you can lift it up. So I have different tiles right here just to show you the suction power on this, on the tiles. Okay, and let it go. So this one here, it's not really smooth, but let's see if I'll be able to create suction on this. So I'm just gonna go press it, do a suction. Oh, it looks like it was able to do it. So you just want to make sure that your tile is clean. So this tile here have a rough surface, kind of like look like this, but this is more smooth. And basically for this type of tile, you won't be able to do a suction because of its rough surface. So let me go ahead and try this. Oh, okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and demo this product. I'm going to be using this piece of glass so we can see how it's going to remove the air gaps under the tile. Okay, so I'll just put this thing here, and I'm gonna release the suction. And what I'm gonna do is I'll select lower vibration because this is glass, I don't want to break it. Okay, so the underside is a lot flatter now, so this is going to protect your tile as well, so that when you walk on it or if you put weight on it, it is not going to crack. And again, this is the Tomtask tile vibrating tool. I put the link to this product on the description, and if you think this video is helpful to you, please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.